Hello, everyone. Now that we've posted report cards, I just want to show you how to go in and look at the report cards on Family Access. So I have Mrs. Burnett's up right now, and all you'll have to do is click Portfolio, and then you'll see Term 4. If you click that, it'll run a quick report, and all the grades were adjusted for the COVID-19. So why don't we wait for that real quick. Click View Report, and then you'll get a PDF version of the report card. If you look at the top, you'll have the school that they're currently in, and then due to the COVID-19, you'll have everything with explanations of the different grades. If you guys have any issues, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.